Wayne says, how open do you keep the top vent on your Summit Kamado when using your Vortex with it? I always wondered if it wouldn't do as well as a regular kettle with an offset top vent. On my Summit Kamado, when I'm using the Vortex, the first thing I focus on is the intake at the bottom. And I know for my wings, I'm trying to get my temperature around maybe 400 degrees. It'll probably drop to around 350 once I add those wings. So I do kind of open the intake at the bottom. I wish I had pictures to be able to show it, but probably like between the second and third, I don't even know what you call it, but there's the little round opening, little circles. I don't know what the right word is at the bottom of at the intake, but I open it about, I'm going to call them notches. So probably between 2 and 3 notches to make sure I'm getting some oxygen in. And there's like a little picture and it looks like it's the one that kind of shows air coming in. I get it around there. And then I probably start off with my exhaust up at the top vent, maybe around halfway, but I'll take a look. I'll go back and check after about 10 minutes to see how quickly is the temperature rising. Because I usually do mine with lump charcoal, which is going to cook hotter, give you hotter temperatures. If the temperature seems to be rising really quickly, then I'll start to close off that top vent to prevent it from getting too hot, temperature rising too fast. So kind of depending on that, the temperature is kind of going at a nice clip, then I might dial it back to maybe a quarter of the way open. And then, like I said, I'm trying to keep my temperature at least 350 degrees. So then I'll just make little micro adjustments as needed until I can dial it into the right temperature that I want. Visit backyardsmokemaster.com for more tips, recipes, videos, and podcasts about barbecue.